In this video, we'll demonstrate how to purchase an agency hosting plan from Bluehost. Running multiple client sites, you need hosting that grows with you. With Bluehost Agency Hosting, you get speed, uptime, and tools that let you focus on what matter: your clients. In this video, we'll show you how to purchase an agency hosting plan here at Bluehost. So let's get started. Let's get started by visiting Bluehost.com. From the Hosting or Agencies drop-down menu, select Agency Hosting. You can also visit this link directly. Scroll down to the Hosting Plan section and select your preferred hosting plan by clicking Choose Plan. You can also contact us for a custom solution that fits your hosting needs. To do this, click on Contact Us under the Custom Agency card. Fill out the form and click Submit. You will receive a callback from our agency specialists. To proceed with the purchase, click the Choose Plan button for your preferred agency hosting plan. Create your account with an email address and password, or link it directly to your Google, Apple, or GitHub account. Enter your payment details in the Billing Information section and select your payment method. You can select to pay using your card, Google Pay, or PayPal. In the card section, choose your preferred billing term from the drop-down menu. Review the items in your cart, then scroll down and click the Submit Payment button to complete your payment. Once your payment has been processed, you will receive an order confirmation email from Bluehost with information about your account. You can access and manage your Bluehost account by logging in through our website or by going directly to the Bluehost login page using this link. Congratulations! You can now manage your multiple websites more efficiently with agency hosting here at Bluehost. Scale smarter with Bluehost Agency Hosting.